god. Oh my god.
We woke up in this place and what's going on?
Darling!
Hey, quiet down in there. What's that? I don't know what's going on. I think we're gonna die. What's that?
Guys, is that a door?
Wait, we have to escape. We can't die.
Do you have to die? I have to go home to all my cats.
Come on, let's go.
Ready? Oh no!
We don't know where we're going. Oh no. We don't know where we're going, but we don't know where we're going.
Ah!
Help me. I'm dying. Where's the flashlight? You can't see anything. Don't make any noise. Don't make any noise. I'm so sorry. Is it stopped? No.
You're going in the house.
I don't know. We have to go this way. Come on.
She just went in the house.
We have to get through this. No matter what. Come on.
In it together.
We're all best friends. And we'll make it through this. We will. Okay. What? There he is. With a knife.
Oh my
What
god.
the fuck are we gonna do?
Oh my god.
Here, take this. We need to run.
Oh my god. This is intense.
What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm wearing my designer Ugg boots. They're going to get ruined. Let's go to this house and see if they're home.
Creepy.
Knock on the door. Is anyone? Oh.
Guys.
Go away.
My god, there he is. It's a crack house. It's a whorehouse.
I don't want to get money for sex.
You want to?
Whores, that's all they are.
Ow.
Ow, ow, I fell. Maybe the car dealership can sell the car and we can escape.
Maybe they'll even give it to us for free.
I have something. Okay. Let me see that.
I really freaked out.
So, we just tried to go to this house. And then, oh! It's a This guy was at the light. He keeps following us. We think it's our killer. Shannon is so scared. The killer is coming. We have to hide. Where are we gonna go? I don't know. I don't know where we're gonna go. Ow! Oh no, did you fall?
The guy with the one light.
If he comes by again, we'll run back into the house. What are we gonna do? He's coming. In my mouth. He's coming in my mouth. What do we do? He's gonna rape us with our yeast infection. He's gonna rape us with my yeast infection. Rip out my tampon first.
Can we go in?
No, okay, let's go. You run with it.
I don't want to be around him anymore. With the one light.
Let's go in the trees like we're in the woods. You could even see this. Wind it. So, we're in the woods, and we're hiding from him. Look, it's a tree. So, I don't know what's going on, but...
Did you see how fast I was running the other way and there's nowhere to hide? There's your cat. Oh my god.
See how fast I was running? What are we gonna do?
That's one light.
Nuh-uh. We have one light.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna go check over here. Over. I have to wait for her.
Lancey's gone missing.
She'll be back soon.
She really has gone missing.
Oh no. It's been 3 hours. What are we gonna do? There's something in the trees. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
I'm just scared.
I think the flashlight
Guys,
makes
it's
me
just
really...
me.
Oh, we thought you were missing
Oh,
something.
thank God, I thought you were murdered and eaten alive.
The killer just tried to get me.
Oh no, one eye, one leg.
My arm.
Oh no, I love that arm. That's something you're supposed to put your ring on.
I'm just kidding. I lost my arm too.
I'm just kidding, I have two.
And
Oops.
a finger. I lost a finger too.
Oh my God, it's this guy one light. No, it's not guy with one light. I think it's Brandon. No. Can't even see this.
Let me.
It's because you gotta yank it.
Ow.
That's right. We think we see. Do I look like crap? I hope this serial killer's really gonna matter if we look like crap or not. I'm so scared. I'm just so scared.
Let's go this way.
Run this way.
Can't really. I'm not going back over there.
I'm not going back over there. It's too scary.
Too risky with the guy with one light.
I want to go back in. Let's go up these stairs that lead to nowhere. These stairs are never ending. They ended. I'm gonna sit like a whore on this car. I just live in the whorehouse down the street.
Guys, I found an abandoned car. This way. Guy with one light.
Look, that's the light of the car.
Oh my god.
I think I just heard a car go by.
Oh my
Maybe we should go
gosh.
check this out. This car. It's a Ford.
It's a Ford.
You guys, I'm gonna get on it. Maybe that car could help us.
Yeah, right. It looks like a murderer to me.
Probably.
Looks like a murderer to me.
Probably. Yeah, better than anything else.
I'm gonna sit in the road.
Oh no, Lancey, a monster truck will come by and kill you.
Or more worse, the bat cave will come.
Or worse, a monster truck full of whores from the whorehouse.
The whorehouse next door.